You never even came. You never called. You forgot about me. How could you forget me?
No, I didn't forget you. I would never forget you.
I hate you.
Can you not be mad at me for 1 second? Because I want to tell you one thing, okay? Okay, because last night I was writing you a letter. And then the words were kind of too big, okay? Gesundheit, Flopsy. Flopsy has a cold. And I said, dear Lucy, I'm sorry I maybe hurt your feelings. And I was thinking about you all of the time. And I was Lucy on a hammock, and Lucy at school, and Lucy in the sky, and kisses and hugs Daddy. And P.S. I love you like the song. P.S. I love you like in the song.